Coming to you from the Next Weather Studio, a 360 view of your forecast. This is Next Weather, sponsored by your local Chevy dealers. Georgia Drive Chevy.
Cool. All right. So looking outside, what's going on for you? I want to get you caught up with the drought situation. Once again, you know this. We are under a severe drought. Close to record-breaking in some ways, depending on the metrics in which you look at this. However, what we're seeing is the vast majority of the Southeast still dealing with record, or like I said, almost record drought, or in many cases here in through the state of Georgia, we're looking at 25% of the state looking at D3 and 4, which is extreme and exceptional drought. That's about as bad as it gets. So that burgundy, it's not good. We don't want to see that. What did we see, though? Well, we had some rain passing through the region, and that helped quite a bit. And we have another few chances as we head through the next 7 days. But first things first, again, to just kind of show you what did sweep through in the overnight hours and early this morning. Well, this did pass through, and that also left us with a few thunderstorms that did pop up. So as we head through the next 25 hours, what are we going to end up seeing? We have more rain on the way. So this will approach us as we approach the midnight hour. So looking at the rain that comes at us now, looking at your timestamp there, you're seeing that. There you go. There's your midnight hour. Now we're looking at excuse me, 3, 4, 5, 6 a.m. So right around that 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 a.m. hour, do expect a few rumbles of thunder in that mix, and also some potentially heavy downpours. So your morning commute, early and or later, could be a bit of a soggy one, depending on whether you're just caught right in the middle of the rain or you are looking at standing water, ponding water. Be careful with that as well. But looking at your temperatures as we head through these overnight hours, it's going to be pretty comfortable out there, despite the fact that, yes, the rain is on the way. So you're looking at that upper 50 mark in through North Georgia, and still looking at about that low 60 mark in through the Metro Atlanta area, Eatonton, Griffin, for your temperatures for tomorrow. Still pretty comfortable now. So looking ahead, you are going to end up seeing anywhere from that low 70 mark, once again, in through North Georgia, Rome, Dalton. You are looking at temperatures in the low to the mid 70s. Those of you in the metro area, you have anywhere from about that upper 70 mark into the low 80s. That's pretty comfortable. So now we're looking at your 7-day forecast. And as mentioned, we have a couple of chances for rain in that mix. This is great news. So we're looking at your Wednesday now. Wednesday, again, tomorrow, early overnight, after midnight, you have that rain rumbling through. Thunderstorms likely in that mix, ending up seeing a pretty cloudy Thursday for you. And then you've got another Friday, Saturday chance of on and off rain in that mix, ending up seeing a beautiful start to the work week and an end to the weekend with temperatures in the upper 60s, low 70s, mid 70s, mostly sunny skies for Sunday and Monday at the least, and maybe another chance for rain way out there next work week. But let's get through these next 2 chances for rain first. That's some really good news in that forecast.